The Producer-Buyer Networking Forum, organized by the Roots Project, seeks to improve access to markets for smallholder farmers in a vital effort to reduce post-harvest losses. Roots Project Director Mamour Aliou Diagne said the dialogue is in line with the project's objective to enhance agricultural productivity and improve access to markets.
Marketing of the agricultural produce is a major challenge in this sector. So we're trying to solve that problem by bringing together both the buyers and the producers from day one, so they know what each other is planning and how they can meet the demands of each other. The whole idea is to cultivate an approach of market orientation, so demand-driven production, and that will help them to minimize the post-harvest losses.
Mr. Diagne added that the project has also constructed various cold storage facilities across the country to prevent post-harvest losses faced by food producers.
Because of the availability of the cold storage facilities, farmers don't have to sell immediately, and that should increase their negotiating power because they don't have to fear that risk of perishability. And that is why we are building the cold stores. Okay, we've started with 3, we'll build 5 more this year, inshallah, but our target across the country is 15.
The Producer-Buyer Networking Forum is a strategic move to improve market access through inclusive partnership between farmer organizations and buyers. This, according to the consultant, Dr. Amadou Sow, can be effectively done through public-private producer partnership dubbed the 4P approach.
When we have this partnership coming on board and being established properly, obviously the small, the SMEs or the private sector can provide high quality inputs which would be of importance at the end of the day, whereby at the end of the day, whatever is harvested is ensured to be of high quality as per the requirements of the buyer. The third element there is provide a ready market. There is a ready market for the producer, and it's a win-win situation, obviously, for the producer and the private sector.
Jenaba Fofana, a producer from Kanuma, and Abu Khan of Kerkunta Farm, a major buyer of farm produce, both thanked the Roots Project for the initiative, saying the scheme will improve networking across the agricultural value chain.
You have to look for market before producing. Then you discuss with your potential buyer and produce what the buyer wants. For example, during the Ramadan, people buy the vegetables at our own comfort because the demand is high. So, if we look for a potential buyer before producing, it will be the same. We will sell our produce without much difficulties.
What happened was we are farmers ourselves, but we also an SME. We have shops and we have a restaurant, which mostly most of our crops go directly to the restaurant or to the shop. So they were able to supply us from tomatoes, sweet peppers, okra. We also bought onions, and hopefully we're waiting to work with them this coming season, because there's more opportunities, because now we know what we want and they know what we need. So this exhibition and this event has been a way to collaborate more, and we got to know more of each other.
The interface is part of a series of activities undertaken by the Roots Project to promote mechanized agriculture for improved food and nutrition security, building the resilience of smallholder farmers to climate change. Alhagie Mbye, GRTS News.